I got 4 words for you, my friends. Big hunks of meat. Yep, for me, that's part of what the holidays are all about. And you don't have to go too far from home to find the absolutely perfect roast. Gavin Pinto is a corporate chef with the Certified Angus Beef brand, and he joins us this morning to share a Certified Angus Beef roast recipe. Chef, so great to have you with us. Thank you for joining us. What did you prepare today?
Well, thanks for having me here. So today I have a tenderloin roast that I'm doing with a pink peppercorn and smoked salt blend. Because a really nice roast, all it needs is a little salt and pepper. So I just decided to up the game a little bit with some fun, different peppercorns and a little bit of smoked salt to mix with my kosher salt that'll just give it a little extra flavor.
Well, I love the idea of keeping it simple, but when we're actually shopping for the roast, what should we be looking for in the store?
So the most important thing when you're looking for a good roast is really nice marbling. And with Certified Angus Beef, you know you're always going to have great marbling in that roast.
Is there a particular cut of beef that is the best to roast? What are some of your favorites, Chef?
So here's a tenderloin, which is always a crowd pleaser. Super tender, really nice and flavorful. Another great roast is always going to be a standing rib roast or a boneless rib roast. Those are just two of my favorite roasts that you can pretty much find.
You know, I think our audience from time to time hears the phrase Certified Angus Beef. What really is the difference from other beefs when you find something that's Certified Angus Beef brand?
What really makes Certified Angus Beef stand out is going to be quality, and especially the quality of the marbling. We have very high standards when it comes to the marbling in our beef, and that marbling is really what makes beef so tender and delicious.
I just love it. You know what you're going to get. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of us. Hey, tell us about the Roast Perfect app. What does that do?
So Roast Perfect is an app that helps you time your roast so that you hit your perfect desired doneness. For me, that's medium rare. For you, it might be something different, but it has a built-in roast timer so that you can set it according to the roast type, size, and then you'll come to that doneness that you really love.
I think we all just want to have you in our kitchen come Thanksgiving morning, but that's not really an option. So tell us where we can find some beef recipes or cooking tips or just more info.
So you can find all of those tips and the Roast Perfect app through our website at certifiedangusbeef.com. And you can find all of your favorite roasts and cuts at Schnucks.
Oh, look at that finished product, baby. Chef, I will be right. Oh, man. That's not even fair. Look for the Certified Angus Beef brand logo at Schnucks, my friends, and enjoy the most juicy, flavorful, and consistently tender steaks, ground beef, roasts, and a whole lot more today. For more great beef recipes and cooking tips, visit CertifiedAngusBeef.com.